If your attic ventilation is messed up, it's gonna mess with your whole house, like causing moisture problems and higher energy bills. So, first off, you gotta make sure you got the right amount of ventilation for your attic size. Too little or too much won't cut it. Use a mix of soffit vents and ridge vents to get that airflow moving naturally. Air needs to come in low and go out high. You know? Keep vents clear of insulation so air can actually flow. Stuffing insulation in there just blocks everything. Check that the vents are evenly spaced around the attic so no spots get stale or trapped with heat. If you're adding baffles, make sure they're installed properly to keep insulation from blocking airflow but still tight enough to keep critters out. Don't forget to seal any gaps around your attic access door or hatch to stop warm air from sneaking in or out. Use vent covers that keep out rain and pests but don't block airflow. Lastly, always double-check local building codes for attic ventilation because what works in one place might not fly somewhere else. One of the biggest mistakes people make with attic ventilation installation is not having enough intake vents, which chokes airflow and traps heat. Fix this by adding more soffit vents or louvers. Another common issue is blocking vents with blown-in insulation or other materials. Just keep those areas clear and use baffles to separate insulation from vents. Third, using the wrong type of vent or installing it upside down can totally mess with how air moves. Always pick vents recommended by roofing pros and follow manufacturer instructions closely. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff on attic ventilation and all kinds of home projects. It also helps contractors find solid work so they can focus on doing a great job for homeowners like you.